Hey guys, how's it going? So in this video we're going to be talking about Tom Nash spreading FUD about Lordstown Motor. If you don't know what FUD means fear, uncertainty, and doubt. I do admit that, Lordstown has their own problems, but what Tom Nash is doing is spreading huge amount of FUD. Personally, I'm not investing in Lordstown $9, but if it was to drop down to like $2 or $3 or $1, yeah, I would definitely buy into the stock. Just saying, not financial advice. There definitely is something wrong with Lordstown, and I think what he's saying is completely wrong, and it's basically, spreading FUD. But hey, this is my opinion, and I'm gonna play a video of what he talks about, and then I will discuss my own opinion on it. So let's begin.
It either is that they're so far behind the original schedule that this is literally a freaking startup without even any plans of mass production, or it's all a bullshit lie. Both options don't look good for the company, but no inventory on the assets, that shows you how far along are they in the process. But wait, there's more. What the company has right now is just enough to sit on their ass, do nothing with their fucking finger in their mouth, and basically wait for the money to run out in 1 year. They can't do jack shit. And it actually reminds me a lot about Nikola. It's the same thing with Nikola. They have enough cash to get paid, but they don't have enough cash to actually get shit done as far as real ramp up. But wait, there's more. And look at this. This shows you everything you need to know about how this company is bullshitting you for a long time. Look at this. This is what they have. 326,000 of land, 6.2 million of buildings, 38 million and a half of machinery, 142,000 of vehicles. Their current vehicles of this company is 142,000. That's a company that burned through $350 million. I'm shocked at this, and I think it's inevitable that there's going to be a DOJ investigation and an SEC investigation. This thing ain't over yet. I think the SEC and the DOJ are about to have a field day with this company because this is even worse than Nickel. Look at this. Now, this paragraph should blow your mind because this is game over even before they fired Steve. The company believes that its current level of cash and cash equivalents are not sufficient to fund commercial scale production of the launch of the vehicles. These conditions raise substantial doubt regarding our ability to continue as a going concern for a period of at least 1 year. So basically, as you just saw from the financials, before even they said this thing, they have enough money to just sit on their ass for 1 year. If they want to make any sort of progress with this vehicle, whatever it is, they need a lot more cash. I doubt it if anybody will give them a single door at this point, because Steve Burns made this company radioactive, much like Trevor did with Nikola. It's unbelievable how similar they are. Both of them out-Eloned Elon and then found themselves out of the company and basically left the shit in shambles. Look at this shit. Note 6, commitments and contingencies. They can't even
Okay, this battery part is, is not really a commitment unless they actually built the vehicles. These batteries of the vehicles, so they need more money to buy the batteries. So they need another $1 billion or more than $1 billion of cash to continue operations, to continue building cars on a mass production. They don't have enough cash to build their vehicles on a mass production. I do agree with that, but what he's saying over here with $142 of $142,000 of vehicle, this is basically the cost of their one or two electric trucks that they had. They didn't start production because they came out with this video on March 31st, saying that their first vehicle, their first car came off the production line on March 31st. This earnings was ending on March 31st, 2021. They currently have about 40 vehicles in production. So their next earnings report is going to be, I think it's going to be horrible. You're gonna see their cash reduce significantly, but you're gonna see their vehicles move up in a significant way. But the CFO is gone now, so they're gonna have to hire a new CFO. Their earnings are gonna be delayed. The company is in has a lot of problems right now, but you know, they are producing vehicles. It's just that they didn't start producing vehicles until March 31st, 2021. Their first car came off production line on March 31st, 2021. Now they have, I think, according to the company, they have about 48 betas. Could be wrong. Pure speculation on my part because I don't have the numbers in front of me. But I believe I was listening to the earnings report and they had about, 48 beta vehicles, but they need more cash before they can go into full production ramp up. So just saying, right now Lordstown is green, which is a little amazing, but like I said, Wall Street bets don't care. They wanna, right now they don't care about fundamentals. They don't care about anything. All they care about, I think the manipulators in the Wall Street bets, all they care about is squeezing out the shorts. This is good for Lordstown because then they have the ability to raise capital at a much better level, and it's good, but I'm still bearish. I'm going to be on the sideline, and I'm gonna wait until the next earnings report. I'm not buying this stock unless this thing goes to $2 or $3. Will it? Only time will tell. Only time will tell. Like AMC, right? Does this thing deserve to be a $60 stock? Or $100 stock? No, not at all. The business is, in shambles right now. Nobody is allowed to go to the movie theaters. They're not making any revenues. They're not making any profits. Well, they're making some revenue. The theaters are still kind of operational, but they're not really making any profit. The biggest profit generator is the cash dilution that they're issuing by capitalizing on the inflated stock. But AMC shareholders don't care. They only care about squeezing the shorts. And that's the reason why the stock is up. It's the same thing with Lordstown. Just saying, not financial advice. Anyways, thanks for watching. Subscribe for future updates and have a great day. Bye.